2022 Acura MDX. Starting at $47,925. Highs. Sharp styling, surprisingly nimble chassis, high-tech cabin. Lows. Tight third-row passenger space, mediocre fuel economy ratings, fussy infotainment touchpad. Verdict. Acura's flagship SUV benefits from a comprehensive redesign for 2022, but it not quite as posh as some rivals. Overview. Acura is on a tier updating its small lineup of cars and SUVs. Among them is the three-row MDX, whose recent overhaul brings lots of goodies. This SUV takes its handsome styling cues from the compact RDX SUV and TLX sedan, and the cabin boasts luxury materials and features worthy of the Acura's premium badge. The base powertrain for this front driver consists of a 290 HP 3.5-liter V6 and a 10-speed automatic, and all-wheel drive is available. But select the performance-oriented Type S model and you'll get a turbocharged 355 HP 3.0-liter V6 and standard all-wheel drive. What's new for 2022? Acura redesigned the MDX for 2022, skipping the 2021 model year. The new SUV shares its styling and technology with the recently revamped RDX and TLX models. Pricing and which one to buy. Base. $47,925. Technology. $52,625. A-Spec. $58,125. Advance. $61,675. Type S. $65,000, est. As driving enthusiasts, we're most intrigued by the Type S for its performance aspirations, but Acura says that model won't go on sale until the summer of 2021. For buyers looking for a nicely equipped luxury crossover without the sporty flair, we'd recommend the technology trim, which has niceties such as leather upholstery with contrast stitching, adjustable interior ambient lighting, an L Studio stereo system with 12 speakers, and low-speed front and rear automated emergency braking. Engine, transmission, and performance. The new MDX uses the same 290 HP 3.5-liter V6 as the outgoing model, but the engine is now mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission instead of a 9-speed. Front-wheel drive remains standard with all-wheel drive available as an option. The outgoing 2020 MDX also offered a hybrid powertrain, but so far Acura has not indicated an intention to hybridize the 2022 MDX. The sporty Type S model is powered by a 355 HP turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 and comes standard with all-wheel drive. We haven't driven the Type S yet, but our test drive of an all-wheel drive Advance model with the standard powertrain revealed surprisingly nimble handling and perky acceleration. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The base 2022 MDX boasts EPA fuel economy ratings of 19 mpg city and 26 mpg highway. Opting for all-wheel drive reduces the highway rating by 1 mpg. On our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, our all-wheel drive A-Spec test vehicle delivered a disappointing 22 mpg. For more information about the MDX's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The MDX's cabin has a far more premium look and feel than 2020 model's interior. French-stitched leather covers the dashboard in high-end trims, and open-pore wood mingles with metal and piano black accents. Acura also outfitted the MDX with plenty of creature comforts, such as dual-zone automatic climate control, heated front seats, and leather upholstery. The front seats are supportive and comfortable and can be equipped with niceties such as 16-way power adjustability as well as massage. The first and second rows offer plentiful passenger space, but the MDX's third row is still a kids-only affair. Although the interior is nicely designed and offers plenty of convenience options, it doesn't feel quite as posh as the cabins of rivals such as the Genesis GV80 or the Volvo XC90. Infotainment and connectivity. The 2022 MDX features a large 12.3-inch infotainment display with a center console-mounted touchpad controller, which we're sorry to report is somewhat frustrating to use. A 12.3-inch digital reconfigurable gauge display is also standard, as are Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability, in-dash navigation, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and a wireless smartphone charging pad. An L Studio stereo system is included on the technology trim, while the A-Spec and advanced models get a 16-speaker L Studio 3D setup. Safety and driver assistance features. Acura has been adding more and more standard driver assistance tech to its cars, and the new MDX provides several desirable features. For more information about the MDX's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. The MDX's warranty package matches those of rivals such as the Buick Enclave and the Lexus GX, but both of those brands cover the first maintenance visit, while Acura requires the owner to pay out of pocket for that service. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 6 years or 70,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance. Specifications. 2022 Acura MDX sh-awd. Vehicle type: front engine, all-wheel drive, 7-passenger, 4-door wagon. Price as tested: $58,625, base price, $49,925. Engine type: SOHC 24-valve V6, aluminum block and heads, direct fuel injection. Displacement: 212 cubic inches, 3,471 cubic centimeters. Power: 290 HP at 6,200 RPM. Torque: 267 lb-ft at 4,700 RPM. Transmission: 10-speed automatic. Chassis: suspension, F/R control arm/multi-link. Brakes, F/R 13.8 invented disc/13.0 in disc. Tires, Bridgestone Alenza Sport AS, 255/50 R2105 HM&S. Dimensions: wheelbase, 113.8 in. Length, 198.4 in. Width, 78.7 in. Height, 67.1 in. Passenger volume, 139 cubic feet. Cargo volume, 16 cubic feet. Curb weight, 4,514 pounds. C/D test results: 60 miles per hour, 6.4 SEC. 100 miles per hour, 17.6 SEC. Rolling start, 5 to 60 miles per hour, 6.6 SEC. Top gear, 30 to 50 miles per hour, 3.6 SEC. Top gear, 50 to 70 miles per hour, 5.2 SEC. 1/4 mile, 15.1 SEC at 112 miles per hour. Top speed, Governor Limited 112 miles per hour. Braking, 70 to 0 miles per hour, 170 feet. Standing start XL times omit 1 foot rollout of 0.3 seconds. C/D fuel economy. Observed, 16 mpg. 75 miles per hour highway driving, 22 mpg. Highway range, 400 miles. EPA fuel economy. Combined/city/highway, 21/19/25 mpg.